as you probably heard, the hottest thing burning in local sports right now is that outburst by Asafa Powell and Elaine Thompson-Hera talking about the still vexed issue of how Jamaicans treat our track and field stars. Listen to them.
You did that too.
What's wrong with Jamaican
they would say
people,
you're
you know?
extra.
You know,
So me I say, what we supposed to do? What we fi do?
I don't know what's wrong with Jamaican people because I get that a lot, and from way back in the days I used to get that like, yo, so him can't say
They can't say
when me
hi,
I walk
like,
around and yell up everybody.
Me not get that part of it. Like, what do you want from me? What you want me to do? You know,
what I mean?
and if I do say hi to you, you probably look at me and front like, I
That's
wish
the
you
thing.
talk.
Jamaican people,
you know?
Jamaican people don't respect.
They don't.
Don't respect, and they try to categorize,
They
or they try to
don't.
put us in a same, in a same circle as some regular
Class
Come
people.
on, man.
Like.
We are superstars. We're not social media influencers.
I get it a lot.
We are superstars. We are celebrities.
And look, the long and short of it is that Asafa carry feelings from the criticisms he used to get in his days as a choker. And then here comes Elaine. I bite the bait. Listen, Shino.
Them a talk for here in the cadena, them not whisper.
Right.
I do runner that. I she that. Yes, I am a runner, but I do have a name.
Right.
And I don't think I'm that ugly or cute for you to not recognize me.
Right.
What is wrong with these people? So respect is the issue, right? So all of them stuck to a bill and order of distinction and order of merit and all these things. Not enough. All right? Problem solved. Let us upgrade Asafa and Elaine to national hero status with immediate effect. Yes. Problem solved.